If your 2024 Chevy Trax key fob battery dies, don't worry. First, locate the physical key hidden inside the fob by pressing the release button. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's door. The keyhole is integrated into the door handle. Once unlocked, you can open the door and access the interior. Remember, the 2024 Trax relies on radio frequency signals from the fob, so without a battery, the physical key is essential for entry. This method is designed for security and ensures you're not stranded. Many 2024 Trax owners have reported success with this method in various online forums. The 2024 Chevy Trax uses a keyless ignition system. With a dead fob, place the fob near the start button on the center console. Press and hold the start button for several seconds to initiate authentication. Some models may require up to 10 seconds to activate valet mode or emergency start. Always consult your owner's manual for specific steps, as turbocharged engines may have slight differences.